everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing really well. Welcome to today's video. Summer is around the corner and the truth is I have this love-hate relationship with summer. Don't get me wrong, I do like the longer days, the holidays. It's a great opportunity to play with fun colors, breezy fabrics, the classic linens. But on the other hand, it can be tough to find styles that look elegant and stylish while still providing comfort, especially from the heat of summer days. And in Lisbon we have a very hot summer. So with these challenges in mind, I have developed some outfit formulas, so to speak, that include trousers, shorts, dresses, skirts that I'm sure you can easily recreate with your own pieces. Okay, let's begin with outfit formula number 1, which is composed of an open knit sweater, white trousers, tank top and a pair of cap-toe shoes. So white trousers, whether wide leg tailored trousers, tapered or denim jeans, are one of those classic staples that will never go out of style. In summer, swap out your skinny jeans for a pair of straight or wide leg trousers. The higher waist will help your legs to appear longer, and also it pairs really well with pieces that might be a little bit more cropped. To continue the long line of your body underneath the sweater, try a tank top that matches the white pants. This will help to continue drawing the eye upwards for a slimmer look. Plus, it will help provide a little bit of coverage underneath a piece that may be more sheer or open knit. Finish the look with sleek leather accessories like this basket bag and a pair of cap-toe shoes. My outfit formula number 2 is composed of a white button-up shirt, a pair of denim bermudas and a pair of slingbacks. It's actually the one that I'm wearing right now. Bright colors are perfect for summer, but if your personal style leans more towards neutral colors, try the outfit that I'm wearing right now. First, grab your favorite button-up shirt. Even though they have long sleeves, they're generally looser fitting and hairier in materials like cotton or linen that will help you stay cool in warmer days. Next, wear a pair of straight leg denim bermudas in a medium wash. They're the happy medium length between shorts and capri trousers. This pair will become one of your go-tos for summer fashions. If you like to add a bit of height to your look with your shoes, these leather slingbacks are perfect for summer. The low medium heel is great for elegance while being very comfortable. And we continue with outfit formula number 3, composed of a top, a knitted sweater or cardigan, tailored shorts and a pair of sandals. Finding the perfect pair of shorts for summer is easier said than done. To beat the summer heat while still looking chic doing it, try a pair of tailored shorts in either cotton or linen. This particular pair that I'm wearing is high-waisted with flattering pleats. They will be this way looser around your thighs and comfortable to move. For this neutral look, try adding a black top, tie a light fabric sweater over your shoulders to help adding a classic detail to the ensemble. Strappy sandals are the perfect shoe that offer enough support for walking, better than mules, while also still being breathable. You can choose a straw bag, a pair of brown sunglasses, round out this classic summer outfit. And now, outfit formula number 4, composed of a midi or maxi dress, gold earrings or a big necklace, and sandals. Speaking of the best summer dresses, a classic option in white or any cream shade is perfect for those who love neutral colors. A knitted dress like this one is perfect for slightly more casual looks, while still being extremely comfortable and easy to style up for a summer soiree. On especially hot days, sometimes throwing on an easy dress is the best option. Pair it with flat sandals, a chic pair of sunglasses and a straw bag. This would be the perfect look for a lunch or maybe a day of shopping. One of the features I love about this style is the straight shape, loose on the body, not clingy, very comfortable. It makes for a flattering figure, while the thicker straps allow you to wear a hidden bra. There's also a slit on the side that gives movement as we walk, and it's made in cotton. Again, a breathable fabric, but the knit helps the dress from being sheer. So this dress is from Massimo Dutti, is new in stores right now, and you will have the link in the description box below. As always, we are reaching outfit formula number 5. This one is composed of a white top, a blazer, Bermuda shorts and a heel sandal. Speaking of shorts, these blue denim Bermudas with the right complements can also be styled up. If you love a classic linen blazer, this version from H&M is the perfect way to do that. The slightly oversized cut offers a modern twist to your outfit, providing a light cover-up for warm days, and if you choose a blazer with no lining, even better. Wear it over a white tank top, gold rings, a leather crossbody bag and a chic pair of white leather sandals complete this look that's perfect for everyday wear. In my opinion, with this kind of Bermudas that ends around our knees, just avoid wearing sneakers. The Bermudas, they are already shorten our legs, so if you had flat sneakers, it will be too bottom heavy and your legs will appear shorter. Just a fashion tip. My outfit formula number 6 is composed of a t-shirt dress that could have a tie at the side, a wrap dress, a pair of flat leather sandals, and my raffia basket bag. Mine is from Cézanne, is the Justine basket bag, but you could wear any one you have at home. A good tight dress is one of my favorite recommendations for a chic summer wardrobe. They're versatile enough for everyday wear, but are also easy to dress up for date night. Plus, no matter your body type, they can be very flattering, as the wrap style allows you to make adjustments for the right fit and even dissimulate any tummy. Although mine is a sleeveless dress, there are so many varieties out there with all kinds of sleeve lengths. But if yours is sleeveless like mine and you don't want and like to show your arms, you can always wear an open shirt on top. Then accessorize with staple pieces for cute and casual summer looks. The straw tote bag, the flat leather sandals and a pair of gold earrings. Outfit formula number 7 is composed of a blazer, a silk midi or maxi skirt, a silk top in the same color of your skirt, and strappy heels. If you're looking for the ease of styling a dress for summer, but are still searching for an option because you don't own any slip dress, a way of doing it is wearing a satin midi or maxi skirt, in satin or in silk preferably, and a silk top in the same color. This two-piece set will look like a dress and is an easy way to start a look, as it acts as a great base for a number of different layers. In this case, I added a blazer, and I think here add any color other than black, just to give a little bit of contrast to the outfit. The blazer adds coverage, if you prefer more coverage over your arms, without taking away from the look of the base itself. It's also the perfect way to add structure to your look and contrast the flowy silk base layer. Finish your look with strappy black kitten heels or your favorite sandal. Gold earrings and a clutch complete this outfit that is perfect for any evening event. Are you still there? Because we are moving to outfit formula number 8 and continue with lots of styling inspiration. This outfit formula is composed of a t-shirt midi dress, a straw tote and flat sandals. A cotton dress like this is perfect for slightly more casual looks while still being extremely comfortable and easy to style down for daytime. Pair it with flat sandals. Outfit formula number 9 includes the beautiful linen blouses, a light wash pair of straight denim jeans and some espadrilles. This poppy red shade of my blouse is the perfect way to pull that off in the warmer months for a French inspired outfit. Style it with a pair of light wash denim jeans, especially a straight cut, for an easy style that still looks chic. To finish my French style outfit, weave a pair of espadrilles and a raffia basket bag into the rest of your look. Outfit formula number 10, a white midi skirt, a sleeveless top and sunglasses. Monochromatic outfits are the perfect chic style to wear when you want to dress up a little this summer. First, start with a midi skirt or one in a flattering maxi length. A pleated version like this is often a great choice for those who aren't comfortable with the look that's too tight. Next, add a vest like the one I'm wearing that will add a nice masculine contrast to this feminine skirt. Accessorize with a pair of braided leather ballerinas that match the tan details of the bag. Add a pair of oversized sunglasses to add a bit of glamour. For outfit formula number 11, I wanted to include a short sleeve button-up shirt, a pair of linen trousers and a pair of mules. So like I say, as much as I love summer, I'm not always a fan of the heat. That's why linen pieces are perfect for staying cool and therefore one of my favorite additions to comfortable summer outfits. Style linen trousers with a solid top, like this short-sleeved black shirt that pairs beautifully with the khaki in the trousers. Complete the look by playing with texture in your accessories, like these rattan Cézanne earrings and a raffia basket bag. Finish it up with black flat mules. Last but not least, outfit formula number 12, that is composed of linen tailored shorts, linen top, heel, sandals or mules. A pair of tailored shorts is a classic for a reason and perfect for a summer capsule wardrobe. These Bermuda shorts are the perfect relaxed look for everything, from summer holidays to city wear. For a more elevated take, add a linen blazer and a pair of heeled sandals or mules, a leather handbag and dainty gold jewelry. Save these looks that I created for warm weather, which will hopefully inspire you. Adapt and wear your colors, the cuts you love the most, the lengths of your preference according to your personal style. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!